Hey everyone, in this video I'm doing a quick review of the NU Aqua RODI Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. This was sent to me by my friends at GrowAce. Thank you so much because this has been a lifesaver. This is a reverse osmosis filter. It's actually a 4-stage filter system with reverse osmosis built in. It pumps up to 75 gallons a day of reverse osmosis water. And the way I have it hooked up here, it comes with a couple different attachments. You can attach it to your sink inside, or you can attach it to your hose. So I have a hose attachment. This attaches right to my garden hose, and then it fills up the filter system. It's 4 parts, like I mentioned. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a waste line. Wastewater runs out of here. I have it going right down into a drain. I've already filled, for what it's worth, 3 5-gallon buckets with the wastewater. I'll use that to water plants outdoors. But then I have the clean water running into this big trash bin. It's, I think, 33 gallons or something like that. And what I do, I use this to fill up with reverse osmosis water. And then I use that for my air cube system by GrowAce, my hydroponic system that was sent to me by GrowAce. Another great system. If you have questions about that, be sure to let me know. So this is the RODI, or I should say the NU Aqua RODI Reverse Osmosis Filter. Pumps up to 75 gallons a day of reverse osmosis water. This is really important if you do a hydroponic system. If you use, especially with a hydroponic system, if you use reverse osmosis water, there's more room in the water for nutrients. So your plants are able to uptake more nutrients with reverse osmosis water. This has been a great system. Thank you so much again to GrowAce for sending this to me. It's been a lifesaver. If you all have any questions or comments about this system, be sure to let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're liking my channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you want a discount on this NU Aqua RODI Reverse Osmosis System, be sure to check below or in the comments, and I will leave a discount code for you to get a discount on this system. If you have any questions, let me know. But again, this is an awesome water filtration system, especially if you're growing cannabis or growing mushrooms. It's really important to have clean water. So be sure to check out this NU Aqua RODI system. Thanks, everyone.